10번. 대화를 듣고 남자가 할 일로 가장 적절한 것을 고르시오.
Hi, Jennifer. What's new?
Not much. I'm organizing these documents.
That's what you say every time I see you these days.
I know. I have all these documents to organize, but there's no room in this office to put all the folders.
Haven't you heard of a scanner?
No. What do you mean?
You scan your documents and save them as computer files. Then you can have more space in your office. I use mine all the time.
Wow. I didn't know there was such a thing. Can I borrow yours?
Yes, I'll bring it to your office right now. It's very easy to use.
Thanks. You're an angel.
You'll be surprised how much it will help you.
Let's have dinner tonight after I finish scanning. I'll treat you.